If you want to pair your Bluetooth headphones or earbuds with your Redmi Note 14 Pro plus 5G, then here's what you need to do. So first of all, we're gonna open the settings, go to Bluetooth, and of course make sure that Bluetooth is enabled. Over here, we will see the list of available devices. So I'm gonna turn on my earbuds and I'm gonna enter the pairing mode. So this depends of course on the Bluetooth device that you have. In some cases you need to turn on the pairing mode, in some cases it is automatic. So once you are in the pairing mode, the headphones should be detected in available devices. However, you can also refresh the list by pressing this button over here. And now we should be able to find our earbuds. So let's see if we can find them. There we go. If you have issues with detecting your headphones, you might want to simply turn off and turn on your Bluetooth. And that usually helps. So let's select our Bluetooth headphones. Let's choose to pair. And there we go. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.